Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Expose Info TV once again. This time I hope this video meets you well. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to make money in affiliate marketing with X virtual card. So I want you to pay attention to every part of this video as I will be guiding you how to set up your account with X virtual card platform and how to start making your money on the platform as an affiliate. Like you all know, on this channel I make video about how to make money online with cryptocurrency, telecommunication and tech generally. I also made video about news around the world. So if you are new to this channel, I beg you to please smash the red subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the little bell beside the subscribe so that you can be the first person to be aware as I drop new video on this channel. So guys, we'll go straight to the business of today. We don't have too much time. But before then, I want you to understand some things. What is an affiliate marketing? An affiliate marketing is a way of partnering with a platform that have their own products, and what you just do is you use the word of mouth or social media to advertise this product or this platform to more people. Then you make some commission from it. So by using of your social media platform, be it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, uh, Twitter, WhatsApp, your contacts. So you are selling this product to them, then you are making little profit from this. So don't forget to stay tuned to the end of this video because I will show you the secret to make more money with this virtual card platform. Then uh you will start making money for yourself, like I said. So one thing is you have to find a problem before you can provide a solution. It is very rampant everywhere. People are scared of putting their ATM card information online, maybe on any platform, maybe to purchase things virtually online. So people are scared to put their ATM card information online due to fraud happening over the years. So this platform, this X virtual card platform, has find a solution to these people's problem. Then you have to help them get people to know about this solution that they have to their problem. So that is where this virtual card comes into play. This virtual card, let's quickly go to their website. So I will drop the link to their website on the at the description of this video so that you can get it from there. So guys, this is the platform. C Technology, that's syltechnology.com.ng. So if you scroll down to the uh, platform, you see is a tech firm. Is a technology firm. They focus on attracting the user to the content they are looking for. So which means they help people look for or find information they are actually looking for. So what we are going to do right now is they do free consultation, they do a lot of things. They are into graphic design, website design, and all of them like that. So if you come back up here, you see they have digital skill training. Then there is our offer, there is page bank or database, there is blog, there is stream live video. So you just click on this our offer. So when you click, please pay attention to my screen. When you click on our offer, you see web services, web hosting, church online, then you see the virtual card. So when you click on this virtual card, it will bring you to this virtual card page. So it will bring you to this virtual card page. Then you can read more better about this virtual card. So this virtual card, they said, C Technology virtual card, what we offer virtual prepaid Visa and Master bank card that allow you to pay for goods and services anonymously online, which means you can make payments without anybody knowing your identity online, so that they don't keep information about your card. So we work worldwide so that you can purchase virtual prepaid card from anywhere in the world and use them to pay online on any website that accepts MasterCard. So this platform provide a virtual card that can be used online worldwide on any website that accepts MasterCard and Visa prepaid card. So this virtual prepaid card, the brand is Visa, the currency, the personal details. When you are applying or when you are trying to get this virtual card, no personal information. You can use fake information to get this virtual card. You don't need to provide your real name, so you can pay worldwide. You can use it for automatic payment. It lasts for 3 years from the time you get this virtual card. So what you have to do as an affiliate is you have to learn more about this X virtual card platform and how their virtual card works. Then you start selling this virtual card to people. So they have the virtual card affiliates. So you can read more. You can read more on how this virtual card works on this platform. I will drop the link at the description. I will drop all the link. I will drop their direct website link. I will drop the virtual card link, and I will drop the virtual card affiliate link. So what you just need to do is you can come back up here. You click on this button that says become virtual card agent. So any of this button that says become virtual card agent, you can click on it. That's where your own works comes in. So they have their Telegram channel that you can join, so that you can get further help as an affiliate. So the page is trying to load up, guys. So I want you to see the amazing thing about this S virtual card platform. As you are getting it for your people, as you are getting it for people on social media, be it on your WhatsApp contact list, be it on your Facebook, be it on your Instagram page, your Twitter page, any any social media platform that you have contacts with people. Okay, the page is trying to load up now. Sorry, guys. So the page just load up now. Then this is the virtual card agent platform. That's the affiliate part of this S virtual card. So you see, we offer virtual prepaid card and MasterCard that allow you to pay for goods and services anonymously online. So this card is delivered within 24 hours of making payment, and the virtual card is just 1,100 naira. So if you want to sell this virtual card to anyone, you are going to collect 1,100 naira from anybody you are selling this virtual card to. You can sell this virtual card to more than 20-30 people per day, depending on your contact list. So if you are becoming this virtual card, when you sell up to 500 virtual card, you will win a laptop or a refrigerator for yourself. Now, for every virtual card you sell through this platform, you will get 200 naira on each card. That's 200 naira Nigeria currency on each card, while you will pay 900 naira to the company. So which means if you are selling this virtual card to me, you will collect 1,100 naira from me, while you will pay 900 naira to this company. Then the company will still fund a preloaded, will still put a preloaded 100 naira Nigeria currency in the virtual card for the person that bought this card through you. So what you just need to do is, when you get to this virtual card, their affiliate page, you just click on order card now. When you click on order card now, then you put the name of the person. You put the name of the person. You can put a fake name for the person, but make sure that the email address is correct, because the virtual card will be sent to the person email address. So you have to put your affiliate phone number. That's your phone number. That's why you also need to join the Telegram channel, So input the name you want on the virtual card. So any name you put as the first name and the last name will be the name that will be printed on the virtual card, that will be inputted on the virtual card, but email should exist. So guys, you fill in your phone number. Okay, so let's say I want to get a virtual card for someone. I'll put the person name, I'll put the email, I'll put the my phone number, then I'll click pay now. So I'm going to pay 900 naira when I've collected 1,100 naira from the clients that I'm selling this card to. So this is a very big opportunity for you to start making extra money without selling any product. So what you just need to do is to promote this virtual card for yourself. So I've done a review about this virtual card, so and this company, so you don't have to worry. Just take your time, read more about the virtual card, join their Telegram channel so that you can get more updates. So that's it about this virtual card. So affiliate marketing pays very well if you know the right way to go about it. So thank you guys. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Don't forget to smash the red subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be aware as I'm dropping new video. So if you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment box if you have any. If you've joined my Telegram channel, you can also drop your question there. See you in the next video. Thank you guys. Love you all.